I went ahead and polished it. Kind of left it rough though. Kind of like the look of it. It's like somewhat industrial. I don't know.
Out of college, I was selling power tools. Started building furniture on the side as like a hobby. I was building custom furniture for like people. I followed who would become my boss on YouTube. He was looking for help. That's the beginning of my YouTube career.
It's Jordan, and he's been working here for about 3 years and is getting pretty good at the CNC.
It was really just trial and error, betting on myself. Luckily, I still have all my fingers. I was really into CNC machinery. Basically a big robot that cuts wood. I've built guitars. We mainly specialize in like live edge furniture and big heavy conference tables. Nothing we did was ever small. One of my favorites was the coffee table I made that's in my living room. It was a dream project of mine. Building this really large table for this company is an extremely cool table. They got this challenge coin. They wanted that as their center logo for their table. Design always kind of intrigued me. Woodworking, it's not about how beautiful you can make something, it's about how good are you at hiding your mistakes. We would get a lot of fan mail from people saying like, you helped me get through COVID. We did a lot of work with veterans too. The impact of me building a table and putting it on the internet had massive impact on people's lives. It was really cool because people looked at me as the expert. Also being relentless, like just not quitting. I definitely had help along the way, but I wouldn't have gotten that help if I didn't proactively go out there and try it. Betting on yourself is the best thing you can do. A hobby turned into a short YouTube career. Having something that I've done personally, like that's in someone's life and getting handed down to through generations is a really cool aspect of it.